Have you ever seen a house where trees are not just landscaping, but the very reason everything exists the way it does? The House of Amendoeiras begins like this, a site in Salvador, Bahia, filled with large, mature almond trees, scattered as if they had already drawn the map of the place long before architecture existed. And when neighbors suggested cutting the trees because of the fallen leaves, the residents and architects made the opposite choice, to preserve as many as possible and let the house emerge from them. Instead of a house that occupies the lot, this is a house that negotiates with it. It fits itself between shadows, trunks, wind, and heat, and turns these conditions into everyday comfort. The house was designed to receive, with flexible, welcoming spaces adapted to the open rhythm of life in Bahia. And this is where the project's key decision comes in, an engineered timber structure. A precise construction logic was used, with a clear rhythm, almost like a structural grid that organizes everything, while also creating an immediate sense of warmth, comfort, and a house that breathes. On the ground floor, the wood is present and legible, with a rhythm that makes the structure easy to read at a glance. On the upper floor, however, the house changes its skin. It is wrapped in aluminum brise-soleil that open and close like large articulated doors. The most striking experience of this house is not found in a beautiful facade. It is found in the outdoors that becomes life itself. The garden, designed as a true refuge, is not leftover space. It is where the house truly happens. And within this greenery, an organically shaped pool appears, almost like a small lagoon. Not a standard rectangular pool, but a gesture that belongs to the trees, the shade, and the heavy heat of the place, as if water were a natural extension of the garden. And that's when the essence of the House of Amendoeiras becomes clear. It doesn't try to impress through excess, it wins through balance. It is large but not loud, rational but not cold, sophisticated but never untouchable. It is a house designed for real everyday life, welcoming people, opening the veranda, moving freely between inside and outside, living under the shade of almond trees, crossing the heat with wind and water, and realizing that nature was not added later, it was already there, and the architecture was simply smart enough not to get in the way. In the end, the House of Amendoeiras proves a simple and powerful idea. When the nature of a site is strong, the best architecture is not the one that dominates, but the one that listens. And here you can feel that in every choice, preserving the trees, orienting the house to the climate, creating movable shade, and letting the garden become the true center of living. A house that wasn't born to compete with Bahia, but to live well within it.